Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to download Sentinel-2 and as well as Landsat-8 dataset from Google Earth Engine. It's sometimes it's a problem for downloading datasets for a large area. In order to do this, Google Earth Engine would be a good option for this purpose. If you like these types of videos, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's start. First of all, I'm gonna select a study area. Then, as you can see, it's added to my editor. Then I'm gonna zoom into my study area. Center object is a good option for this purpose. The study area as a layer. In order to run the code, first of all, I'm saving my code. The name it would be download data from Google Earth Engine. Then, okay. First of all, I'm gonna download Sentinel-2 datasets. For this purpose, I need my dataset Sentinel-2 collection. Okay. In search, I have to type Sentinel-2. Remember to use harmonized data. Then select ID and paste here. In the next step, I have to define my study area as well as date that I'm targeting for to download dataset. First of all, I'm gonna do this filter for my study area, geometry. I'm using filter date in order to specify the date that I am interested in downloading its datasets. Situations, maybe your collections volume is gonna be large. In order to reduce this, you can use median because it can divide your collection into individual images. And finally, I'm gonna flip like the datasets as my study area. Okay. If I run the code, I can see my collection. But I need to print and also added as a layer to my screen. To do this, I'm going to use print and the name of my collection. Again, I'm gonna add as a layer my collection to here, and again I'm running the code. Layer 2 is my collection, and I'm gonna give it a stretch. Okay, you can see my collection is available for download. In order to do this, I'm gonna use export image to driver. There are 4 different options that you can use because the format of the data that I'm gonna export is image, and I want to have it as image. Image to drive is a good option for me, and so you can save your data set on cloud storage or whatever you are interested. Okay. I have to define various types of various parts of my data that I'm going to export. First of all, I have to define its name. As I said before, it's my collection, because as I said, the volume of datasets, its collection from let's say satellite, maybe it's too large. I can define here a specific bands that I'm interested in downloading them. For example, here I'm gonna use select and specify red, green, and blue of Sentinel-2 images. Description, I'm gonna define a specific name for my data. Sentinel-2 will be okay. Region would be my study area. The spatial resolution of Sentinel-2 dataset is 10 meters, and also this is true for band 2, 3, 4, as well as 8. And here I'm putting 10 meters. And for the final one, we have a max pixels would be 9. Okay. Here you can see that my data is ready for export to Google Drive. If I run it, I can have it in my Google Drive. It's gonna take a while in order to do this. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna work a little on my dataset in order to visualize it better for your understanding. Okay. You can change this stretch in order to see which one is better for your visualization, as well as you can give them 1 band grayscale or 3 bands, depends on your purpose. I'm gonna use, for example, 100. I think it can show us details in a very good way. The other one, for example, 98. The same thing, it's more bright, and I think we can earn a lot of information from this. Okay, as you can see, the download finished, and if I open my datasets in Drive, I can download them. Okay, here you can see. I'm gonna go on download. Okay, save it on desktop. In order to for further analysis, you can use QGIS or whatever you are interested. First of all, I'm gonna use QGIS. Okay, in order to call my data, it's raster, the version, the format, and you can change to vector or what else you are interested. Okay. Okay, this is the data that I downloaded from Google's engine, and it's in a true color. As you can see, it's very good, specifically for downloading data for a specific large area. The same things I'm gonna do for Landsat-8 images. Landsat-8 dataset. Okay. Top of the atmospheric reflectance would be a good option. Okay. And the name should be changed to Landsat-8. I don't want to change the other parts of my code. I just change the name because it's the same for Landsat also. We can select which bands that we are interested, and also a special resolution that should be 30 meters for my purpose. Okay, I'm gonna again run the code, and again I can reach the data that I'm interested. Okay, this is Landsat-8 datasets, and also I can do it for larger regions, and it's very useful for downloading a large amount of datasets, and it's very easy. Okay, thank you very much for your attention.